You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce once and for all correctly the name of this medication. This is an antibiotic, I believe, or antibacterial molecule. Miconazole. Yes, I know there is another video on the internet that says Miconazole, but maybe sometimes it is pronounced this way, but in English it's generally pronounced as Miconazole. Miconazole. Yes, Miconazole. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.